Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best reflective gel polish set on the market right now, the Beetles Reflective Glitter Gel Nail Polish Set. If you're into high shine, holographic sparkle and salon-worthy results at home, this one's for you. Let's dive into the unboxing experience first. The set includes 6 7.5 ml bottles of gel polish, each featuring a different glittery shade ranging from dazzling silver and radiant gold to bold black and red tones. The polish numbers, C314 through C319, represent a stunning collection designed to give your nails that flash diamond effect, especially under bright light or flash photography. Each bottle is compact but packs a punch with richly pigmented gel. Now, what really makes this set stand out is its reflective flash glitter formulation. Unlike typical glitters, this one catches light in a way that gives your nails a holographic, sparkling effect, super shiny in natural light and even more dramatic under LED lighting or when you snap a photo using flash. With just 2 coats and a top coat, you'll get that high-impact, glossy finish. Before application, remember that this is UV, LED gel polish. It requires curing under a UV or LED lamp. You'll also need to apply a base coat and finish off with a top coat. Those are not included in this set, so make sure to have them ready. The polish does stay slightly sticky after curing, which is totally normal for gel types and helps the top coat adhere properly. A few quick tips for best results. Shake the bottle gently before use to mix any settled pigments. This is especially important for glitter or metallic shades. Apply thin layers to build up opacity gradually, and cure each layer completely under your lamp. With proper prep and application, this polish can last up to 4 weeks without chipping. It's also formulated to be low odor and is free of 9 common toxins found in nail products, making it a safer option for home use. The formula is slightly thicker due to the high concentration of glitter, which helps in achieving that dense, luminous sparkle without multiple layers. Let's talk use cases. Whether you're prepping for a party, holiday gathering, or just love having dazzling nails day to day, this set covers it all. The black and red shades offer bold elegance, while the silver and gold bring all-out glam. You can mix and match, go ombre, add nail art stickers, really, the possibilities are endless. Lastly, while removal can take a little time, as with most gel polishes, it's straightforward with standard soak-off techniques. Use cotton pads soaked in acetone, wrap in foil, wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and gently scrape off. That's our breakdown of the Beetles Reflective Glitter Gel Nail Polish Set, a brilliant choice for anyone wanting sparkle, longevity, and professional quality without stepping out of the house. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more deep dives into top beauty products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.